Hi guys, my name is Mel Aldrin Mayol and today I will discuss about stress and Filipinos. Stress in Filipinos. Stress in Filipinos. Stress is how our body reacts to challenges or demands. It comes from small or big problems and people handle stress in different ways. So I give you example guys. So ari sa small problem sa tao or everyday natong stress. So, first, heavy traffic. So, being stuck in traffic on the way to work. So, it can cause stress. Bills. So, bills na to ang mga bayro nun. So, stress from paying monthly electricity or bills. So, it can cause stress. House chores or mga trabahoon sa balay. So, feeling overwhelmed by cleaning or laundry piling up. So, it can cause stress. So, noisy pollution. So, loud karaoke session from neighbors. So, it can cause stress. So, ari na sa big problem sa stress in Filipinos. So, first example, job loss, losing a job and worrying about how to support the family. So, di ba, it can cause stress. Illness, dealing with health issues or a sick family member. So, maka-stress. Family problems, arguments or misunderstanding with loved ones. So, maka-stress na. Natural disaster, so coping with typhoons, floods or earthquakes. So kung dakong damage ang mga natural disaster, so mas dako sugid ato ang ma-stress ana, di ba? So stress affect Filipinos in different ways. But managing it through rest, taking to loved ones or seeking professional help can make it easier to handle. There are two main types of stress, which is internal stress and external stress. So let's talk about internal stress. So this comes from things inside us that make us feel stress. So, nani mga example, kining lifestyle choices, mind traps, negative self-talk, and stressful personality. So, ari sa tauna sa ng lifestyle choices. So, lifestyle choices the way we live can cause stress, like not getting enough sleep or eating unhealthy food. So, example bron, like staying up late, watching TV, and feeling tired the next day. So, maka-stress din na. Arita sa mind traps. This happens when we think in ways that stress us out, like overthinking or being too hard on ourselves. So, example bron, thinking I fail even before trying something. Diba? So, arita sa negative self-talk. When we tell ourselves bad things like, I'm not good enough. So, makakos gud stress, di ba? Like example, bro. Mana ka nga after making mistakes, thinking I am useless. So, di ba maka-stress din na, di ba? So, arita sa stressful personality. Some people are naturally too perfectionist or always in a hurry. So, which can lead to stress. So, example, getting upset if things are not 100% all the time, di ba? Maka-stress gud na og perfectionist ka, di ba? Sorry sa external stress. So, ang kiniding external stress di ay kay this comes from things around us that we can't always control or kumbaga ko ba na-stress ta sa atong environment. Sorry sa tao nani mga example like kining physical environment, social situations, major life events, and organization rules. So, ari sa una sa physical environment. So, sa physical environment, so noisy or messy places can cause stress. Example mo ron kay living near a loud construction site, so maka-stress yun na kay saba. Arita sa social situation, so problems with family, friends or crew workers. So example mo nag-arguing mo sa imong close friends, so maka-stress yun na, di ba? So arita sa major life events, so big changes in life can is stressful. So example, moving to a new city or losing job. So maka-stress yun ka kay mangita pa kana. So arita sa organization rules. So rules at work or school that feel unfair or strict. Like example, being told to work overtime every day. So kana maka-stress na. Filipinos are known to be the happiest people. Even the hard situation, you can see the curves on their face. But smile at some point is said to be a facade of every hidden problem a person encounter. And with a problem, one will experience stress which are invisible to people around. So, Filipinos are known to be happy people. Even in hard times, they often smile and stay positive. But sometimes, a smile hides the problem a person is facing. This hidden problem can cause stress even if others don't notice it. Even if Filipinos show smiles, it's important to check on each other because stress is not always visible. Sometimes, a kind word or support can help more than we realize. So, this is the end of our topic. Thank you guys for watching.